Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Quba door lock password. The most common and convenient way to manage your Quba Smart Lock, including changing passwords, is through the Quba Smart mobile application. Before you begin, ensure your lock is properly connected to your home's Wi-Fi network and that your smartphone has a stable internet connection. This setup allows for seamless remote management. To change your password using the app, first open the Quba Smart application on your mobile device. From the main lock screen, access the Settings menu. Look for an option like Change Master PIN or Add PIN Code within the User Management section. You will then be prompted to enter your new desired password, which should be between 6 and 12 digits. If you prefer to change the password directly on the lock's keypad, first activate the keypad by touching its surface. Then, enter your current admin password, followed by the pound key. The lock will then guide you through a voice prompt menu. Follow these instructions to input your new password, typically a 6 to 12-digit code, and confirm it. After changing your password, it's essential to test it thoroughly. Close your door and try unlocking it several times using the new code to confirm it works smoothly. Always keep your new password confidential and store it in a secure, memorable place. For guests or temporary access, remember you can generate time-limited passwords directly through the Quba Smart app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.